Good day. My name is James Andrew Sumang Messina, 22 years old from Arayat, Pampanga. I am a recent graduate of the University of the Assumption with a degree in tourism management. As a part of my academic journey, I completed my on-the-job training at Astoria Current Boracay, where I was assigned to the both front office and housekeeping departments. This hands-on experience helped me to develop strong communication skills, improve my work ethic, and learn how to remain efficient and professional in a fast, high-pressure environments. I am now seeking an opportunity to be part of your esteemed company where I can apply what I learned, gain real world industry experience, and continue growing both personally and professionally. I can take pride in being hardworking, responsible, and adaptable, and I approach every task with a dedication and a positive attitude, and I am always willing to learn and take on new challenges. Joining your team will be a meaningful step in my career, and I am confident I can contribute positive to your organization goals while continue to grow as a hospitality professional. Thank you very much for considering my application. I hope to have the chance to be discussed and I can be a valuable part of your team. Best regards, James Andrew Sumang Messina. Thank you.